Hey there, content creators! Are you ready to take your video editing game to the next level without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. Click the link in the description below to grab a special lifetime deal on VSDC Video Editor Pro. Now, let me tell you why VSDC is the Swiss Army knife of video editing. First off, it's packed with all the features you need to unleash your inner Spielberg. From AI object removal to motion tracking and multicam editing, VSDC Pro has got it all. And the best part? You don't need to sell your kidney to afford it. Let's dive into some of the killer features that make VSDC a must-have for any video creator. Need to remove those pesky photobombers from your frame? No problem. The AI object removal tool will have them gone in seconds. Want to make your action shots look like they were filmed by a pro? VSDC's motion tracking feature has got your back. And for all you YouTubers and gamers out there, VSDC's multicam editing is a game changer. Easily switch between different camera angles like a boss. Plus, with hardware acceleration, you'll be editing faster than ever before. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but isn't VSDC tough to learn? Sure, it might take a little getting used to, but trust me, it's worth it. Plus, there are tons of tutorials to help you get up to speed quickly. Speaking of tutorials, VSDC offers a bunch of them right on their website. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll find everything you need to master the software. And remember, every pro was once a beginner. So don't be intimidated, jump in and start creating. Now let's talk about the deal of a lifetime. Literally. For a limited time, you can get VSDC Video Editor Pro for a one-time payment. No more monthly subscriptions draining your wallet. Just one payment and you're set for life. How awesome is that? So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to grab your lifetime deal on VSDC Video Editor Pro. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Alright, that's a wrap for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Thanks for watching and happy editing. Catch you on the flip side. End of script.